What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, another installation, working on this PC here that we've been doing for a few videos now. We put the Corsair LL120s, the Dominator RAM, RGB ones as well. Today we're going to be installing the Commander Pro from Corsair. Reason I got this is because I am missing a USB for my power supply, so that I can connect it and monitor the fans and everything for the power supply. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this, and we're gonna connect it to the board with the USB here, and this one gives me 2 extra USBs, as you can see here, if it focuses. These 2 right here. So then I'll have an extra one left for anything else that I need to get. So let's go ahead and get started and get this thing inside. So we'll go ahead, remove the side panel. As you can see, right now we have the RGB hub, which this is pretty much going to replace all this right here, the RGB hub and the LED light here. So let's get it open. Let's get it up out of here. So I've been holding on for this. Yeah, well, that happened. Anyways, it's all on the floor now. Let's pick it up. And here's the Pro. Temperature sensors, connections, and then more connections. So this is going to get replaced with this. So actually, it's only going to replace the Commander node. I think it's what it's called. Let's see. I don't remember what it's called, but it's going to replace this one right here. This one right here. This one right here, the RGB hub stays there. The fans will connect to here. And I just now connected this to the USB on the board, which now my power supply is going to connect to here for USB. And then what else is going to connect here? I think that's it. I'm going to have an extra one here, so like I said earlier, to connect whatever I wanted else to connect, like LED strips or something like that, or more fans or something. Well, fans connect here, but yeah, just keep on going. Alrighty guys, well that's gonna complete this installation. It wasn't that much that I guess I needed to plug into here. because I was gonna switch all my fans from the H100i. I was gonna switch it all here, but I was like, might as well just keep it everything where it's already connected. I did remove the ones from the motherboard and put them here, just to, I guess, use it. So I have 4 left here, and I still have 2 left on the motherboard for 4 more fans, 6 more fans or whatever. But yeah, so this completes the installation. Now I know I didn't show you on the other side when I went ahead and plugged in this into the board with this, one of the little USB slots. So pretty much everything here is done. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, see what happens, see how it goes. So I plug this here into this RGB hub into the LED here. I plugged it into number 2. Should still work fine. I went ahead and used one of the temperature sensors here. I didn't use all of them. I'm gonna test it out, see how they work. Haven't researched that quite a bit, so I'm just gonna test it out with one, see what happens. Connected my power supply here to the other side of this USB here, so now I have one extra here, like I said, so for anything else that I want to plug into there. Other than that, it is installed. Let's gonna see how this works. So I mean, gonna see how it works. It should work exactly like this. It's just bigger, has more space. Other than that, I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and hit the like button down at the bottom. Go ahead and hit the bell notification so that you can remind you of a new video every time it comes out. Yeah, so leave me a comment if you have any questions down at the bottom, or if you just want to leave a comment, go ahead and do that as well. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.